In this video, you'll learn how to add Square to your GoDaddy website builder using a managed WordPress plan. By the end, you'll have Square connected as a payment option through WooCommerce so your customers can check out quickly and securely. Let's start with a bit of context so everything makes sense as you go. When you're using GoDaddy's managed WordPress with WooCommerce, WooCommerce is the part that handles your online store and payments. Square is a payment processor that lets you accept credit cards and other payments, and it can sync with your WooCommerce store. What we're doing here is turning on the Square Payment Gateway inside your WooCommerce settings and then securely connecting it to your Square account. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account and open your managed WordPress site that uses WooCommerce. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, look on the left-hand menu for WooCommerce. This is where you control orders, products, and payment methods. Click on WooCommerce, then choose Settings. This will open a page with several tabs across the top. Find the tab labeled Payments and click on it. This is where all your available payment methods are listed and managed. On the Payments page, you'll see a list of gateways such as PayPal, direct bank transfer, and others, depending on your setup. Look for an option related to Square. Sometimes it may not be immediately visible, so you might see a link or button to expand the full selection of available payment methods. Go ahead and expand that selection so you can see everything WooCommerce supports in your plan. Once the full list is visible, locate Square in that list. Next to Square, you should see an option to install or enable it. Click Install on Square. This tells WordPress to add the Square Payment Gateway extension to your WooCommerce store. Give it a moment to complete the installation. When it's done, the Square option will usually change from Install to something like Manage or Setup. At this point, you're ready to connect your actual Square account. Click on the option to connect your account. This will usually open a secure Square login window or redirect you to the Square authorization page. Sign into your Square account with your usual credentials and then authorize the connection. You're essentially giving WooCommerce permission to talk to your Square account so it can process payments and, depending on your setup, sync product and transaction data. After you approve the connection, you'll be sent back to your WooCommerce settings. Confirm that Square is now listed as an active payment method. You can usually toggle it on or off and adjust basic options like the label customers see at checkout. Finally, it's a good idea to do a quick test. Visit your store's checkout page, add a product to the cart, and make sure Square appears as a payment option. Once you see it there, you're all set.